next process is just check your WhatsApp and copy this.
Okay, you want me to render the snippet file in the code.
Right.
Okay. So where I put it now?
Go to the thing. Yeah, you get it.
Okay.
Under the Google Technology code, just enter and paste it. Paste it and save.
Sorry.
Yeah. Can I edit in the maybe customer event? Am I right? Yeah.
So you want me to go to the customizer?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Maybe I'm trying. Okay, just give me few minutes, please.
Yeah, sure. So you check if you can see the website.
I'm checking.
Yeah, I checked it.
My name. Snippet. Yeah, just copy my name and
Where you want me to put?
yeah, try to I can't say aesthetically which it. You can maybe start again. Yeah. Can you see event prefix? Just paste my name.
Sorry. Where?
Can you see event prefix? No, this not. Scroll down. Wait, I need maybe lower change. Wait, I can't see properly lower. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Scroll up. Fast thing. Scroll up. Yeah, scroll up. Prefix that you can see. Yeah. This event prefix, can you see?
Event.
Maybe 16.
Okay.
16. Yeah.
This is event prefix.
Under. Yeah. Include name just Pappu.
Yeah.
Just paste my name, Pappu.
Yeah.
Lower sentence. Yeah, right. And just save. I'm checking right now. It's working or not.
Sure.
Yeah, right now it's working. If I any issue with, then I will knock you. Okay, dear?
Yeah, you just leave a message because normally I work in the daytime. It's just like
Okay.
we have some issues right now, so that's why I'm working. But if anything like need to fix or add, you just leave a message. I will definitely fix it.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
So thank you so much
No,
for
thank,
giving your valuable time.
no worries, no worries. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah.
It's my pleasure.
Take care and have a good day.
You too. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, bye.
Bye.